So now we're gonna cover the cake in white fondant. I have about 2 pounds of white fondant here, and we're gonna roll it out to 1/8 of an inch thickness. All right, now that the fondant's all rolled out, we're gonna flip it over the cake. Just use my arm, drag the cake in. The first thing I'm gonna do is actually get the air bubbles out of the top here. So I'll lift up a little bit, push all the air out. If your hands are warm like mine, use a little bit of cornstarch or powdered sugar, keep it from sticking. So I'm just gonna work my way around, straightening out the wrinkles and then pushing the fondant down. All right, now I'm gonna take my fondant smoothers and get all of my imperfections out. Right, and we'll just take an X-Acto knife and cut away the excess.